everyone, and welcome to this week's plan with me. So this week I'm actually be using a little Miss Paperie kit. Now I believe I purchased this maybe about 2 years ago. I don't remember when I purchased it, but it was sitting in a box with a whole bunch of other like spring and summer kits. So I found a whole bunch of kits that I didn't realize that I had, and I completely thought that I didn't have any like kits because I was looking through like my sticker stash, and I was like, why do I like not have as many kits as I thought I did? I also pulled out some Simply Gilded washi that matches, and if you are a shop that has like travel kits, can you guys link those down like below in the comments? Or if you know of like your favorite shop has like travel kits, I want to make sure that I have a whole bunch of travel kits for the summers. So anyway, I'm just gonna get started and I'll give you guys an overview of this week. Now this is like the 5th time I am recording this voiceover, mainly because I apparently talk too much and I get off track. But if you wanted a chatty plan with me, well, here it is, and let's hope I don't get off track like too much. So first things first, I'm actually starting off my planner with adding all of the full boxes. I have tried to lay these down differently in the past, but I always come back to having them in either like the top or the middle section, mainly because if I have them all in like one row, say like the middle row, that means like the checklist all have to be in either like the top or the bottom. That also means that whenever I'm writing, it just looks like one big long text, and if I'm glancing at my planner in the week, I can't really read it. So if you're someone like me, you know, try switching it up, or you know, doing it like other people do and having like all the checklists in one like the middle space, and then having the full boxes at the bottom, and then like, you know, like your half boxes and all of your like deco stuff like at the top, or you know, vice versa. But it's just one of the things that I've just been always doing. And if you're also wondering how I actually plan, this is how I do it. And it's a little bit easier to do without having to talk while filming, but it also leads me to not remembering what I wanted to say when I was sticking stickers down. So I guess we can't have both. Now, if you didn't read my planner last week on like Instagram, there is a washi pre-order on Wednesday. Now I did kind of write it a little bit cryptic in there, but now that I say this, people are probably looking at last week's planner, right? Did you go look at it? I'm pretty sure I just wrote washi on there, but washi can literally mean anything. But for those of you who wanted me to add in some solid color washi, it is coming. And I also have a small duo washi bundle that will be released with a matching kit. Now you can actually buy the kit or the washi bundle separately, or buy the washi separately. Like all of the washi will be available a la carte, but it'll also be a bundle. The bundle usually is only on pre-order though, and I did that last time. I did a bundle for the pre-order, bundle for like all of the washis, and then because there's also a sticker kit to it, I'll probably do a bundle with the bundle of the washi and kit, and then the other washi bundle, so you can have like all the things. But if you're wondering, the washi currently in the shop is actually running low on stock. So if you wanted a pastel rainbow washi called Magic, or the aqua purple and pink pastel washi called Mermaid Dreams, which was also the inspiration for my Go Wild table, go get those now, because I believe there is a few left if you wanted to go get them. But I will probably keep some and then just kind of like bring those out with me if I am doing like a meetup or a planner event sometime this year. Now, there's also releases on Friday. I'm not exactly sure what I'm going to be releasing on Friday. I actually hurt my arm last week, and I'm going to have my sister be helping me like cut stickers this week and probably next week as well, because I can't actually work on my arm very much. So loading the silhouettes in and out, it kind of is probably not the best idea. So I'm going to have my sister help me cut stickers this week. That being said, I also took down inserts from the shop because I normally have to hand cut or hand trim those down. Because it is my right arm, it's a little bit harder to do when I have to put down a whole bunch of pressure, and I can feel the pain literally from like my fingertips all the way to my shoulder. So if you're wondering what actually happened, I actually bumped my elbow on a corner of a drawer and I hit my funny bone. Now, technically your funny bone is actually not a bone, it's like a nerve. And I'm pretty sure I hit the nerve because I do not have a bruise, but it feels like I do. So, and I actually have not gone to the doctor yet. I'm just kind of like waiting out a little bit because it's fine some days and other days it's not. So I will most likely make an appointment this week though, just in case. Other than that, I think it's not as severe as it probably could have been, but it's just one of those things I probably just have to like make sure I don't overstress my arm very much. I am going to have my sister help me cut stickers and probably help me with the shop pretty much. Now she usually just helps me sometimes with kits. If I have a whole bunch of kits that I have to do, and she helps me with samplers, like samplers I have to send out to like meetups or events. And she usually comes in for like an hour or so, and then she kind of like helps me out. But we'll see how she does this time because she's going to be having to do like the majority of things and I have to like oversee her. Though at the same time, I think it'll help me out finishing up a whole bunch of designs that I have for this month. Now, I did mention in the Facebook group that all of the festivities for the shop's anniversary sale to this month, it'll be on the 15th of this month. It'll be on June 15th. Technically, the shop's anniversary is July 15th, but 2 days later of July 15th or so, should be going off to Europe. So I can't do it that day, and I decided to just move it up a whole month. That way I have weeks before I actually leave to finish up orders and all of that. Now, in case you didn't know, the Epic sale is also at the end of the month. Now, the shop anniversary sale is actually going to be like the biggest sale of the year. I usually do this twice a year. I believe that last year we did a 50% off sale, like off everything. Now it's going to be off everything but inserts and a whole bunch of other things that I can't, like stock in advance because of my arm. It just switched up the schedule a bit, so I have to rework my new releases that I wanted to do and kind of make sure that I can actually get those all stocked and ready to ship, or at least the majority of things ready to ship, so I have less work for my sister pretty much. So stay tuned for an actual like visual calendar. I'll post it like on Instagram and in the Facebook group so you guys can like see it. Write those dates down. So June 15th is going to be the shop anniversary sale. 1 month before, I will probably do a sale when I get back. Just kind of like do a grand opening. I am back from vacation. And on June 21st to the 23rd, we have the Epic sale. It's like 1 weekend after the other, but I'm pretty much shutting down the shop until after July. So I have plenty of time to work on orders, and actually that was my plan from the beginning. Basically all this week I have to do a whole bunch of orders. All of these sticker books are getting shipped out. If you pre-ordered your sticker book, they are getting shipped out this week. If you pre-ordered your June kit, that is also getting shipped out this week. I think those are getting shipped out towards the end of the week. If you ordered both, because they all came out at the same time, they'll most likely get shipped out towards the end, if not Monday, just because I'm going a little bit slower than I probably should be. And my sister does not know how to do those at all. She can cut the stickers inside, but she can't actually like make the books because I'm the only one who knows how. Really sorry about that. I really wanted actually to ship out the books last week. I couldn't. Trimming down actually those laminate covers is actually a very tricky task because I'm putting so much pressure on my arm and it's probably not a good thing. So I'm going to be trimming those down a whole bunch, pre-printing a whole bunch of those. That way I can actually have some sticker books in stock. So stay tuned for that. And stay tuned for all of the sales this month because actually there's only like 2 sales and all of the new releases. So I have so many things coming out and a whole bunch of things. And there is another pre-order after this pre-order for Wednesday because there is no July confetti box. Now, because there is no July confetti box, there's going to be something probably a little bit better. So it's still a kit and it's still something else. I had to switch around my idea a bit. My first idea got put on the back burner, and yeah. Anyway, that is it for this week's Plan With Me. Stay tuned for more, and make sure you guys follow all of my links down below, and I will tag the shops I used and the stickers I used from my shop, as well as some of the other ones down below. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye everyone!